I tell you a secret? Might have to slide in close for you to hear it. Over that bartender, yelling out them drinks. Will the cover band off key sings, yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah.
Boy, you know me like no one. You know I get done up to get you undone. Killing you in this dress all night. It's only 8 and I'm down to close down this place, but I'd rather close up this space.
Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah. Between you and me,
A whole lot of loving.
between you and me,
So
yeah.
let's leave nothing.
Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you. Pulling you into me, not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah. I've been looking for something stronger, something with a little more kick. Anything that'll get me lit and keep me flying for a little bit longer, yeah. And you feel like something stronger. You give me that head rush, body high, keeping me in a haze. Feeling that heart buzz, the bloodshot eyes, stringing me out for days. I know I should quit, but all I want, all I need, I don't wanna get clean. 'Cause you're so good, you're so good, you're so good, you're bad for me. You're so good, you're so good, you're so good, you're bad for me. Your kiss, it's a little bit harder, yeah, than anything that I'm used to. I'm addicted to you and the way you make me wanna stay when I know I should walk away. You give me that head rush, body high, keeping me in a haze. Feeling that heart buzz, the bloodshot eyes, stringing me out for days. I know I should quit, but all I want, all I need, I don't wanna get clean. You're so good, you're so good, you're so good, you're bad for me. You're so good, you're so good, you're so good, you're bad for me. I've been looking for something stronger, and you feel like something stronger. You give me that head rush, body high, keeping me time for me. It's been far, few between. Life moves so fast, sometimes it's hard. So tonight I wanna start catching up on downtown. No one else around town. Don't you think it's bad time for something like that? Red wine on the table. What you say we lay low? We can let today go out like a match. I know that we got all damn night, but I'm wishing I could slow down time. Burn up all the moonlight, baby, just you and I, catching up on downtown. Nowhere to be, nothing to do, except a few things that we've been meaning to. Yeah, if nobody hears from us, it's only 'cause we're catching up on downtown. No one else around town. Don't you think it's bad time for something like that? Red wine on the table. What you say we lay low? We can let today go out like a match. I know that we got all damn night, but I'm wishing I could slow down time. Burn up all the moonlight, baby, just you and I, catching up on downtown. The world can't keep going round and around. There's no better moment than right here, right now, for catching up on downtown. Oh, I know that we got all damn night, but I'm wishing I could slow down time. Burn up all the moonlight, baby, just you and I, catching up on downtown. Even if it takes all night, baby, that'd be alright, 'cause we're catching up on downtown. Lined up on the counter, sitting by the salt, right next to those two Cancun shot glasses that we bought. Guess it's about to be a party we ain't talked about. I know it's getting started when you break that bottle out. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, clothes on the floor. You'll have your hands all over me before we make it through that bedroom door. After that third pour, that whiskey don't hit me like when you Cuervo kiss me. I swear I couldn't want you more. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, clothes on the floor. Dance around the kitchen, making out between the rounds. Let them all fall to the ground. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, clothes on the floor. You'll have your hands all over me before we make it through that bedroom door. After that third pour, that whiskey don't hit me like when you Cuervo kiss me. I swear I couldn't want you more. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, clothes on the floor. Tequila, 2 tequila. Summertime in your bare feet, summer skin on the bed seat. Baby, swear that I can barely even keep my eyes on the road. We ain't gotta take it downtown. I'm kinda loving where we're at now. And don't you wanna let your head down, put your hands out, ain't nowhere we gotta go. There ain't no view like the sunset through this old cracked windshield glass. There ain't no feeling like the feeling of freedom in a filled-up tank of gas. And there ain't no sound like the sound of the windows down, wind mixing with the speakers. There ain't no kiss like a kiss in the backseat with you pulling on my t-shirt. Burnt CDs and worn out leather in a 6-speed with 16 forever. Nothing like headlights cutting right through the dark. Life's a little better in a car. Life's a little better, the right one on my right side. Red lights in your green eyes got me wishing I could stop time. It never hit the brakes, there ain't no sound like the sound of the windows down, we're mixing with the speakers. There ain't no kiss like a kiss in the backseat with you pulling on my t-shirt. Burnt CDs and worn out leather in a 6-speed with 16 forever. Nothing like headlights cutting right through the dark. Life's a little better in a car. 4 wheels on a 2-lane, slow drive on a Sunday. Always take the long way, 'cause life's a little better in a car. Life's a little better in a car. There ain't no view like the sunset through this old cracked windshield glass. There ain't no feeling like the feeling of freedom in a filled-up tank of gas. And there ain't no sound like the sound of the windows down, wind mixing with the speakers. There ain't no kiss like a kiss in the backseat with you pulling on my t-shirt. Burnt CDs and worn out leather in a 6-speed with 16 forever. Nothing like headlights cutting right through the dark. Life's a little better in a car. 4 wheels on a 2-lane, slow drive on a Sunday. Always take the long way, 'cause life's a little better in a car. Ride around on a Friday, back roads on the highway, make out in the driveway, 'cause life's a little better in a car. When I get to heaven, I'll probably shake your hand, make some stupid joke about me barely getting in. I'll see that river running and wanna cast a line, climb high up in that oak tree to see if I can finally fly. But before I do, Lord, don't get me wrong, there's a lot I wanna see, and there's friends that I miss who've been watching over me. Yeah, I've got a list of questions, at least a country mile long. But first things first, can I see my dog? Could you get my first truck running so I can take him for a ride? Let him hop up in that shotgun, head hanging out the side. We'll find that perfect field and maybe play some ball. Scratch his head and take him on a golden sunset walk. Lord, don't get me wrong, there's a lot I wanna see, and there's friends that I miss who've been watching over me. Yeah, I've got a list of questions, at to know that there's a place they live forever. Lord, don't get me wrong, there's a lot I wanna see, and there's friends that I miss who've been watching over me. Yeah, I've got a list of questions, at least a country mile. But first things first. Yeah, first things first. Can I see my dog? Seven months. Yeah, I've waited 7 months to wear this tee. MIZ, yeah, that's my team. An empty lot turns to a crowd. Open signs all turn around. This college town comes alive, and all the pretty girls lie stadium drive. Something in them stadium lights, the three big buzz before halftime. My heart racing like it's 4th and 5 on a Midwest Saturday night. When October brings the cold, we paint these streets black and gold. It happens every year about this time. I get Missouri on my mind. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't wear Kentucky blue or Georgia red. Wouldn't catch me dead, same rock jock in these stands. Something in them stadium lights, the three buzz before halftime. My heart racing like it's 4th and 5 on a Midwest Saturday night. When October brings the cold, we paint these streets black and gold. It happens every year about this time. I get Missouri on my mind.
Josie running left, cuts it back right, gets a breakaway to the house. Henry Josie, and Missouri's got the lead. Stutter slips, throws deep ball, wide open, Matlin.
Something in them stadium lights, three big buzz before halftime. My heart racing like it's 4th and 5 on a Midwest Saturday night. When October brings the cold, we paint these streets black and gold. It happens every year about this time. I get Missouri on my mind.
McGaffey breaking free, has a seam.
Ooh, Missouri on my mind.
Lead to the end zone.
Stopped in Alabama, found me a mom and pop diner, taking a break from the windshield wipers. Walked in, sat down next to a true blue old timer. I was half talking, half trying to read the chalkboard menu. Waitress said, honey, let me know when you know what you want. I asked old man what he thought. He said, I think it's true what they say, blondes have more fun. I think it's a damn shame when the good die young. She wants to see the ocean, I think you ought to take it. It ain't as bad as it says in the papers. Forgiving is easy, forgetting is hard. I think Elvis and Jesus were real rock stars. And yeah, the secret to love, the secret to me too, buddy. Trust me, give the bright green tomatoes. Said I'm on my way to see a girl down in Mobile. Messed up, I gotta tell her how I feel. Seems like you might have danced this dance. Do you think I've got a chance? I said I think it's true what they say, fortune favors the bold. I think the Chiefs got screwed out of 2 Super Bowls. She wants to see the ocean, I think you ought to take her. Mother-in-laws make for awful neighbors. Forgiving is easy, forgetting is hard. I think Elvis and Jesus were real rock stars. And yeah, the secret to love, the secret to me too, buddy. Trust me, get the fried green tomatoes in a big old glass of sweet tea. You're gonna love them, I guarantee. Yeah, the rest is just a lottery. Forgiving is easy, forgetting is hard. I think Elvis and Jesus were real rock stars. And yeah, the secret to love, the secret to me too, buddy. Trust me, get the fried green tomatoes. Get the fried green tomatoes. If I was a getaway car, a hand-me-down guitar, pull me last call, last chance. If I was a Friday night, anything cold and light, any song that makes you wanna dance. If I was a tucked away tattoo, a firecracker fuse, a little make you smile memory. If I was a laugh you couldn't hold back, a playlist full of Johnny Cash, somebody's meant to be. If I was a sunset or a long kiss, white sand on your favorite shore, girl, I'd wanna be yours. You lay them eyes on me, it's like windows down free, down some one-car midnight road. Go ahead and drink my wine, you can take all my time, I'll let you in on what you already know. If I was a tucked away tattoo, a firecracker fuse, a little make you smile memory. If I was a laugh you couldn't hold back, a playlist full of Johnny Cash, somebody's meant to be. If I was a sunset or a long kiss, white sand on your favorite shore, girl, I'd wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. Oh, oh. Every word and every song you sing. Oh, oh. Yeah, I wanna be your everything. Like that tucked away tattoo, firecracker fuse, a little make you smile memory. If I was a laugh you couldn't hold back, a playlist full of Johnny Cash, somebody's meant to be. If I was a sunset or Was a Monday night, I was killing time. You were sitting about 5 seats down, with your hair pulled back, all dressed in black. You stood out in this crowd. After my first drink, I did the right thing and slid about 3 seats over. You looked my way as if to say it's okay, but move a little closer. And I said, I'm an old-fashioned, you're a Manhattan, sitting in a smoky downtown bar. You ever been to LA, drove across the country in some car that barely stopped? There's a shine in your eye telling me that you might just want me to take you home. At the same time, girl, I ain't got no expectations. These are just cocktail conversations. Oh, yeah. You asked me where I was from and why I got that Elvis tattoo. I said my old man is an Elvis fan and my granddad was one too. I asked you why a girl like you was in here on your own. You smiled and winked, took a sip of my drink. You said, boy, I ain't here alone. 'Cause you're an old-fashioned, I'm a Manhattan, sitting in a smoky downtown bar. I've never been to LA, drove across the country, I don't need to see the stars. There's a shine in your eye telling me that you might just wanna take me home. At the same time, boy, I ain't got no expectations. These are just cocktail conversations. Oh, cocktail conversations. Oh, there's no telling where this might lead. Oh, I know what brought you here to me. 'Cause I'm an old-fashioned, you're a Manhattan, sitting in a smoky downtown bar. You ever been to LA, drove across the country in some car that barely stops? There's a shine in your eye telling me that you might just want me to take you home. At the same time, girl, I ain't got no expectations. These are just cocktail conversations. Oh, cocktail conversations. Oh, cocktail conversations.